Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video, we will be providing you the solution of the implementing security in Dataplex. So if you are new to our channel, just subscribe to our channel for getting us 1k subscriber on YouTube in just 2 months. Like the video and share the video to those whosoever is participating in the arcade program. Let's get started. Just click on the start live button. Now copy the username of first, open the Google Cloud console in an incognito window. Now paste the email ID. Now click on next button. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the passport, paste it here, then click on the next button. Now click on I understand. Now tick the checkbox and click on agree and continue. Now go back to the lab instructions, scroll it down and copy this Cloud Dataplex API and paste it in the search bar. Here you get the marketplace. Under the marketplace you get the Cloud Dataplex API. Just click on it. Now this API, you should ensure that this API should be enabled. If you have disabled this API, just instead of manage, you will get a enabling option. Just click on it for enable this. For now, go back to the lab instruction and copy this Dataplex from here. Go to the cloud console. In the search bar, replace it with the Dataplex, and you have to select Intelligent Data Fabric Dataplex. Click on it. Now we have to create zone, lake and asset in the Dataplex. Now under the manage lake, click on the manage. Now click on create lake. Now instruction to the lab instructions. Copy this customer info lake. Go to the cloud console, paste it in the display name, keep the default ID, go back to the lab instruction, copy. For me, Europe West 1 is my region. Your region might differ, you have to select according to your region. I will select Europe West 1. And then click on create button. Now it will take time for the creation of the lake. Meanwhile, you can subscribe to our channel. Wait for few minutes. So our customer info lake has been created. Just click on it. Now here under the zone you get a option to add a zone. Click on it. Now go back to the lab instructions, scroll it down, copy this customer row zone from here and paste it in the display row zone. Then the type should be row zone, and for the data location should be regional. It is by default selected. Then we have to enable expand the discovery settings. Now enable the metadata discovery if you have disabled this setting. For me it is enabled. Now I can click on create button. Now it will take few seconds for the creation of zone. So our zone has been created. Just click on it. Now click on the now for the again go to the Dataplex. Now under the manage lake you get the customer info lake. Click on it. Now click on the customer row zone. Now click on add assets. Now click on add an asset. Now for the type we have to select storage bucket. Now go back to the lab instructions, scroll it down, copy this customer online sessions, paste it in the display name. Then for the bucket click on browse and select the project bucket. Click on select. Now leave the default settings. Click on done. Now click on continue. Now for the discovery setting we have to select inherit. So that is by default selected. Just click on submit. Now asset creation started. It will take few seconds or might minutes for the creation. Wait for that. If you have any additional doubt to this lab, you can just comment to our video. Now our asset has been created, so go back to the lab instruction, click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Those who get a green tick here, just like this video. Now we will be doing our task 2. For that, go back to the cloud console. Now in the sidebar on the left, you under the manage lake, select secure. Now under the Dataplex resources menu, select this expand the project ID arrow. Now expand the arrow next to the name of the lake. Now expand the arrow next to the name of the zone. Now click on the asset name, that is customer online. Now click on grant access. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the username, second username, paste it. Now for the role, click on it and go to the cloud Dataplex and select Dataplex data reader. Now we can save these settings. Now Now policy updated, go back to the lab instruction, click on check my progress, you will get a green tick here. Now it might take few seconds for updation. Now we have to log out for the project as user 1. Now go back to the lab instructions, and here you get the option for sign out. Just click on the sign out for the user 1. Now we will be signing for the user 2. For that click on the use another account. For the email, go back to the lab instruction, copy this username too and paste it, then click on the next button. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the passport and go sheet and paste it, then click on the next button. Now click on I understand. Now tick this checkbox and click on agree and continue. Now go to the navigation menu. Make sure you have sign in with the second username. Now go to the navigation menu and go to the cloud storage and select buckets. Now this bucket is pre-created for us by the user 1. Just click on it. Now you can go back to the lab instructions, scroll it down. Now you have to click on this link and you have to open link in a new tab. So this file has been stored. Just you have to save this test CSV file on your PC so that we can upload the file. Now click on upload file. Now in this, go to the download and here you get the test.csv. Click on it. This file was downloaded when we click on the link. Just when you open that link, you will get this. Now we get an error for. Now again upload the file. You get an error. Now we have to sign in with the user 2. Just user 1. Just click on the sign out button and select the first user 1. Now for the passport, go back to the lab instruction, copy the passport, paste it, then click on the next button. Now go back to the lab instruction, scroll it down and copy this Dataplex. From here go to the cloud console, in the search bar paste Dataplex. or you can go to view all products. Click on got it. Now refresh it out. My network is hanging, so now under the analytics you will get an option for the Dataplex. So here you get the option for the Dataplex. Just we have to select it out, click on it. Now under the manage lake you have an option for the secure, click on it. Now click on the arrow ahead of the project ID. Now again click on arrow ahead of the customer info lake. Again click on the arrow ahead of the zone. Now select the asset customer online session. Click on the edit principal for the user 2. Now for the role we have to select cloud Dataplex and Dataplex data writer. Click on it, and under the cloud Dataplex, and then click on the save button. Now go back to the lab instruction, scroll it down, click on check my progress. Now it will take few time for the updation. Now we will be logging out from the sign out by the user 2 and sign in with the user 2 and sign out by the user 1. Now click on sign out. Now select the user 2. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the passport, paste it, then click on the next button. Now go to the navigation menu and go to the BigQuery, cloud storage, and select buckets. Now there is pre-created bucket, select it out. Now click on upload file. Now select test.csv that we have downloaded in previous step. So the file has been uploaded. Now go back to the lab instruction, click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Those who completed this lab with me, just comment completed to this video, and thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel as we participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1K subscriber on YouTube in just 2 months. And like the video and share the video to your friend circle whosoever is participating in the arcade program. And that is all about. And there is a 2 major announcement related the Google Arcade Facilitator program, and another is mystery arcade mystery milestone. I will be uploading that video, so stay tuned to this channel and like and share the video to those friends whosoever is participating in the arcade program. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.